Hey everybody, Ron Ipach here. Thanks for watching this really quick video. On the way into the office this morning, I was listening to a podcast and it reminded me of a quote by Michelangelo that said, "Every block of stone has a statue inside it, and it's the task of the sculptor to discover it." Now, how does that apply to your business? Well, you, as the business owner, it's your task to discover everything that's inside your business that can create the lifestyle, the income, the dreams that you originally decided to get into this business for. It's locked inside your business, just like that statue of David was locked inside that giant piece of marble that Michelangelo chipped away to reveal the beauty that was inside that stone. It's your job to look inside your business and get rid of all the distractions and all the headaches and all the pain in the ass parts of running the business and discover the amazing thing that that business can offer you. Think about that. I know it's a little bit different, maybe a little woo-woo, a different way to look at it, however you want to do it. Hopefully this helps because it's your job. See, life happens for you, not to you. You can't just sit back and hope things get better. You have to attack it. You have to go and you have to look at the opportunities you have in front of you and go chip away at the rest of everything else and reveal those opportunities that are there for you.